Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a lovely day. It is nice to be sitting here in front of the camera saying hello to you guys. So let's get into our video. Today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing. So I was meaning to do this last month. Last month I did sit here and record a video for the month of March. So for the month of March, I did have BoxyCharm unboxing. I just ran out of time and didn't get to post it for March. So what I did was just go ahead and scratch that. And I was like, let me just go ahead into April, the month of April, and I'm going to do the BoxyCharm unboxing today. It's the middle of April. I recently received the box. So let's get into today's box and let's get started. Alright guys, so if you haven't ever had subscribed to BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription where you can get 5 full-sized items in a box every month sent to you. And this is the base box that I have here. The base box is like 25 bucks a month to receive your monthly subscription, and it is 5 full-size products, guys. Typically before BoxyCharm, I used to have Ipsy. I loved Ipsy. I have no problem with Ipsy, but the reason why I switched over to BoxyCharm is because they have full-sized items. I don't know if Ipsy has changed throughout the years. I used to be a subscriber way back, like in like 2015, 2014, 2016. And then I switched over to BoxyCharm. I was a subscriber for BoxyCharm for a long time too. And then one day I was just like, you know what? I need to chill, cut back on my subscriptions. I'm not really using the products right now. I wasn't really doing makeup a lot. I did not have my channel, so I was like, what am I doing? I'm like wasting money and product. So I did stop using BoxyCharm, but then I have a friend who kept sending me her BoxyCharms, and I was just like, oh my gosh, it made me want to subscribe again, because I'm like, the products in there are so nice, like what they were bringing in and collabing with. I went ahead and resubscribed to BoxyCharm, and so I wanted to share with you guys what I receive every month. Like I said, this is the base box. They also have a luxe box, and I don't know if they have a third tier, but every tier is a little bit more costly. And for now, I am just using the base box because they're still getting really nice products from my last 2 months that I have received. And for now, until I know that I am like using every single product that I get, then I'll decide if I want to go up a tier or not. But this is the base box if you want to know a little bit of glimpse of it. And we're gonna open her up. So when you open up your box, usually the inside of the box is pink if you've never seen this before. And inside of the box, they always do these little, they're like little postcards. And for the month of April, they have like a different theme every month. So the month of April, it just says sweet treats, and it has a bunch of like candy on the postcard. And the best part about it, in the back of the postcard, it tells you every product that is in the box, and it tells you the price of it. So I will go ahead and be telling you guys the price of every product, and you guys will see how you guys get your money's worth. So here's the bubble wrap to protect your items. Throwing that out. So I have 5 products here. I am not gonna go in any certain order. I'm just gonna grab what I feel like grabbing, and then we're gonna go about it. So for the first one that I have here in my hand is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. And if you want the whole name for it, it's their Double Duty Beauty Man-Eater Mascara. And for the price of the Man-Eater Mascara is $23. So literally just in your first item, you have almost your box's worth. So $23 for the mascara, a full-size mascara. I have used this mascara on my channel. Actually, I will be posting a video of this look that I created here, and I used the same mascara for this look. So if you can see in my eyes, I have the mascara on. It's obviously the one that I've had for a while, but now I have a little replacement here. So that's really nice there. Next up, I grabbed, it says, the brand I think is Earth Harbor. It's called Aurora, and it's a superfood luminance ampule. I'm not sure if I'm butchering that, but it's sea greens plus cannabis sativa hemp is what's in it. It's plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, women owned. So it's a women owned company. This is the packaging on the item. This is where it tells you everything about it being like safe and cruelty free, vegan free. I love the name of it, Earth Harbor. And it says it's a soothing ethereal glow of the aurora borealis sweeping across the sky, captured in a bottle. Give your precious face luminous superfood nutrition with harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil and pacifying meadow foam seed oil plus grapeseed oil. Aurora is simply the most divine way to serenely energize and soothe skin while inducing dewy radiance. So this off the top sounds really good. Oh my gosh. And I'm running out of serums. Like, I genuinely need to go to Sephora, to Ulta, to like restock my whole skincare, because I have run out of like cleansers, serums, my retinol. I literally am like in a 911 emergency. I have to go, because I've been like, for now I've been just using what's left over of my Peter Thomas cleanser, and I've been using the banana souffle moisturizer, which was in the last box, but unfortunately I wasn't able to post that video for you guys. When I do my skincare routine, I can bring up that product. It's been amazing. I love the banana souffle. My husband makes fun of me because he says that every time I put it on, it looks like I put saran wrap in my face. It's just because it's glowy at first. It's like very dewy and moisturizing, but once your skin like absorbs it, it's amazing. So this is what the serum looks like. It has like a tint of a green. I can't wait to try this out. It doesn't really have a smell to it, but I love serums. Like, I am that person that actually uses her serums. I know there are those memes where it's like you do your whole face, like your skincare routine, and then like your serums are looking at you like, when are you gonna use us? I'm that girl that actually uses her serums. I love serums. I don't know why, but it's just for my face, serums are what like get me going. I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. I'm gonna start using this right away. Typically, maybe I can, in the nighttime, I do use squalene oil. I love that. Ugh, it's amazing. You guys want to see, but I can't wait to try this out. Oh, and before I forget, the Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Superfood Luminance Ampule is $32. So right here you have $32 and you have $23 for the mascara right there. I will be putting in like the little corner here how much everything was, and then I will add it up for you, so at the end of the video you can see how much money is worth in your box for only 25 bucks. Like, that is amazing. So next up, I see here it's by Bombshell. It's Be a Bombshell. Oh, Be a Bombshell Cosmetics lip gloss. So it's a lip gloss. It's in the color Rendezvous. I'm gonna open this up here. It's a really nice color. Honestly, this is a color that I would definitely use Like, if you know me personally, like my sister will tell you that this color looks kind of like a burgundy wine color, and whenever I get my nails done, that's one color I love using, especially for my pedicures. It's like, for some reason, I tend to gravitate towards the same color every time. So I've been learning to change it up. But here's the component. It looks like this. It's very simple. It says, "Be a bombshell" in the front. If it focuses on me. Well, not on me, on the item. So this is it. It's called Rendezvous. The color is like a very wine color. I'm gonna put it in my hand here. It's not, even though in the bottle it looks like very opaque, once you put it on your skin, it's a little bit sheer, so it'll be like a nice topper. So this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like right here. It's a really nice color. So I feel like that would be a nice topper. And this one retails for $14. So add that on there with the rest of our items. Next up, so we have 3 items. We're going on to our 4th item. And this one is very intriguing, the packaging. It's from the Cream Shop and it says Smile. It's a shading cream trio. So this is the item. I'm not sure. I'm gonna pull it out of the packaging, but this is what it looks like in the packaging. It's a contour. I'm guessing it's a contour trio here that we have. It just says shading cream trio, so I'm guessing it's for like contouring, you know. I don't think it's, you know, bronzer, more of a contour. Ooh, this is cool. I kind of like the packaging. So this is when you take it out of the cardboard box, and it has 3 little smiley faces. It's kind of like this matte packaging, and when you open it up, it's actually square components. So the little face makes it look like, you know, you would think it's little circles, but it's square components. And this is 123 Smile in the shade Light. So this is their light palette. So when I test it out, hopefully this will go good to contour my face. I wonder, it feels really nice on the finger. So I can't wait to try this out. But this is a pretty nice component. I really love the packaging. Oh, I love the aesthetic of it. I'm not really sure of the Cream Shop. I've never checked them out personally. I don't know where they sell it either. Like, I'm gonna have to do some research on that as well, because this looks really nice, and if it works out for me, then I'm gonna have to try out some of their more of their products. So for the Cream Shop's 123 Smile, oh, and it's so cute. On the side it says like chisel. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you know, it says like chisel. It says chisel because you're trying to contour your face. This is really cute. I love this. I don't know why. I'm sorry. Sometimes certain things, like, they just draw your attention. And for this product right here, so for the proper name, it's from the Cream Shop, and it's called the 123 Smile Shading Cream Trio Palette, and it retails for $18. The contour palette is formulated to be ultra blendable and ultra buildable for perfectly shaped and sculpted features. It finishes to a smooth velvety matte, and it says "say cheese." So so that is our 4th product. And then for our last product, I have here in this little carton. It's from Natasha Denona. I've never tried any of Natasha Denona's products. It's just her products are so expensive. Like, I've never made the time to be like, you know what, it might be worth it. Like, a big palette I think retails for like $125. I am not about to spend $125 for eyeshadows when I can clearly create like a really nice look with a much more affordable product. So this is the palette here. It's called Jubilee, or yeah, Jubilee. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right, but it's a 5 eyeshadow palette. It looks like it's 2 mattes and then 3 shimmers, because the black does not look matte at all. I would have to like play with it. I think it's a black, or it could be like a really dark, I think it's like a really dark navy. If we look at the names in the back, it's called Intense, so it doesn't really tell you what the color is. It's called Intense. So you have Vintage Taupe, Intense, Limoncello, Enigma, and Mint Frost. I think I said that wrong. I totally said that wrong. So we have Vintage Taupe, Intense is the pink one, Limoncello is the yellow one. We have Enigma and Mint Frost. So those are the 5 colors. It's a feels really nice. It feels very heavy. This is a very like spring vibes. The yellow definitely gives me that spring, and with the pink and the Mint Frost. So this right here retails for, let's see, $48. So Natasha Denona Jubilee Eyeshadow Palette, a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm. Ooh, so they exclusively made this with BoxyCharm. And then it says, featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel color tones. I'm not gonna read the rest because it's very easy what they're saying. It's just an everyday wear with pop of color, suitable for every skin tone, cruelty free and allergen free. So $48 for a 5 shade palette. That she's definitely on the higher end, but that's the reason why I haven't ever really gravitated towards buying it, because I'm like, I have priorities. I'm sorry, $125 for a palette and then like $48 for a small one. I'm excited to try it out. If like it like wows me to like my core, then maybe I might have to spend that coin, but for now I think I'll keep it to a minimal. So that is it for this channel. I have unboxed with you. Hopefully you had fun. Maybe you had your box with you and you unboxed with me and just decided to chat together, see what the price is, see how this BoxyCharm subscription works. So we have our 5 items here. And I hope you guys like this video. I will be creating a video with first impressions using some of the products that I got the last 2 months of BoxyCharm that I received that I didn't get to share with you guys. I will be putting those items all together, and I'm going to even use this month's and go ahead and do a first impression. So if you're ready for that and you want to see that, go ahead. I will be uploading that as soon as possible after this video, or after the one with the blue and orange look that I have here. I hope to see you guys on my next video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment anything. Let me know what was your favorite product that you saw on this month's BoxyCharm unboxing, and subscribe to my channel. I will be here to chat with you next time, and you guys have a great day.